Hello class. Today we are going to discuss about linear equation in one variable. This is the second chapter of the maths. Okay. So before we start, we have discussed some points which we have learned in class 7. First one is algebraic expression. So we have already discussed about it in class 7. What is algebraic expression? 5x 2x minus 3, 3x minus plus y, 2xy plus 5. So these are the algebraic expression which has two variables. Okay, and in this linear equation topic we will discuss about the equation, means 2x minus 3 equal to 9, or 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2, or 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. These are the equation. Why these are the equation? Because it has LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. And what is this? This is the number which we have to find out. Okay, means it is denoted by x, but we have to find out the value of x to satisfy this equation. Similarly, this and this equation are the same. Here we have to find out the value of z to satisfy this equation, and we have to find out the value of y to satisfy this equation. Okay, now we will discuss with the example. Here is the example. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Okay, we have a equation 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Now this is the LHS and this is the RHS, means left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so we have to first we have to find out the value of x. Okay, so 2x minus 3 equal to 7. We can write the minus 3. If the value of minus 3 will be go there, so it will be plus 3. So 2x equal to 7 and minus 3 will be plus 3, because in opposite direction in the opposite direction the sign will be changed. Okay, so 2x equal to 7 plus 3, so 2x equal to 10, 7 plus 3 equal to 10, or x equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. Okay, now if we put the value of x equal to 5, if we put the value of x in this equation, both side the value will be same, then it is solved. If the both side the value will be same, so here I write 2 value of 5 will be into x minus 3 equal to 7. 2 5 is 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 10 minus 3 7 equal to 7. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side equal to right hand side equal to, it's proved. Okay, now Similarly, another question. Example, 2y plus 9 equal to 4. This question will be solved same as like this. Okay, where 2y plus 9 is LHS and 4 will be RHS. Now 2y plus 9 equal to 4. If we put this 9 in the opposite direction, then the value of 9 plus will be become minus. So 2y equal to 4 minus 9. So 4 minus 9 will be minus 5. Why? Because we subtract the small number with the large number. Okay, so value will be in negative. We have already discussed it in class 7. So y equal to minus 5, and what will be the value of 2? 2 will be become in the denominator part. Why? Because of the cross multiplication. It will be going this side, okay, in the denominator side. So value of y will be minus 5 by 2. Now same, we put the value in the equation. So 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 9 equal to 4, or 2 cancel, minus 5 plus 9, minus 5 plus 9 equal to 4. Minus 5 plus 9 will be 4. Why 4? Because it is minus 5. If 5 will be subtract from the 9, then it will be plus 4. So 4 equal to 4, therefore LHS equal to RHS. Both are equal. Clear? Now we will discuss another example. X by 3 plus 5 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so this equation will be solved as the same we have solved in the previous. Okay, so same, x by 3, so plus 5 by 2 will go in the opposite side, then it will be minus 5 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. Okay, so LCM of 2 will be 2. X by 3 equal to 2, and minus 3 and minus 5. What will be the answer of minus 3 and minus 5? Minus 8 upon 2. So x by 3 equal to minus 8 upon 2. We can divide 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Then x by 3 equal to minus 4. Here is the minus. Okay. Now cross multiplication same. Minus 3 will be go in this, they in the place of 4, multiply by 4. Then x equal to minus 4 multiply 3 equal to 4 3 is a 12, minus 12. Okay, so we have the value of x. Now put the value of x in the equation, and if the both sides satisfied, then it will be proved, otherwise not proved. So minus 12 upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, we put the value of x. Now 3 divided by 12, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So minus 4 plus 5 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, now we have to find out the LCM of this side, LHS. So 2 4 is 8 minus 8 plus 5 and LCM will be 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus 8 plus 5 minus 8 plus 5. What will be the answer? Minus 8 plus 5 will be minus 3. So minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So this equation is also proved.